to see the ocean's beauty and the moon that shines above. Alone in the sand, looking at the stars, wishing someday I would find true love. Would it be nice to see the morning with the one you love the most? Would it be nice to say goodnight to the one you hold so close to your heart, to your heart? The wind that blows.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there, and I know when I need it. I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to.
Hello, I'm sorry I didn't talk to you for a long time. By the way, happy birthday. I love and miss you so much.
We're friends for about 1 year, so today I made this for you. On the occasion of your 21st birthday, I wishing you happy, more beautiful and young, and the best wishes will come to you with smart, lucky, much happiness on your new age. And so let my blessing always be with you, okay? I'm sorry, I'm not good in English, and so I love you. Happy birthday, Ami.
Can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there, and I know when I need it. I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside.
Mapapansin mo ba kaya ang tulad ko, kahit nasa sulok lang ng iyong mga mata, mahuli mo kaya pagsulyap sa'yo, kahit na hindi naman ako ang iyong kaharap o chinito.
Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man, ito ang pangarap ko. Kuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagan at yakapin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kahit maputi